Getting over an ex-boyfriend can be hard to process, but with time, it will start to get easier. To help the healing process along, give yourself a little time to grieve and acknowledge your emotions instead of trying to push them away or ignore them. It might help to cry it out, talk to a close friend, or join a support group for people who are dealing with breakups. At the same time, look for ways to keep busy and focus on things that help you feel good. For example, try exercising, spending time with friends and family, working on hobbies you enjoy, or doing things on your own that you didn't have time for when you were in a relationship. If you find yourself feeling guilty or thinking negative thoughts about yourself and the end of your relationship, try writing a list of your most positive qualities to help combat those negative feelings. Or if you keep fixating on the past, write a list of attainable, realistic goals to help you look forward to the future. It can be harder to move on if you're still in contact with your ex, so resist the temptation to call, text, or reach out over social media. It might help to unfollow them and remove their number from your phone. If you feel the urge to contact them, try calling a friend, going for a walk, or doing a relaxing activity instead.